What's up, y'all? It's MonayxMarie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to tell you guys everything I got on this hair that I got from Amazon for under $200. So if you're interested, stay tuned. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below so you can join the fam. And I think that's all I got. So let's get into the video. So this hair that I got is from When You Hair on Amazon. I will put the link in the description box. I got 3 bundles and a 13x4 frontal. The bundles are in a natural color and the frontal is also in a natural color. Obviously I got lengths 20, 22, 24, and then an 18-inch frontal. So I'll show you guys a clip of me unboxing the hair. It just came in like another bag, and then it had the bundles all in it. Everything was labeled. It was really soft out the bag immediately. It's still really soft. I can run my fingers through it. I don't really get any tangles whatsoever, so I love that. Like I said, the bundles are 20, 22, 24, and the frontal's 18 inches. And honestly, it looks a little longer than that, if you ask me. Sorry, my baby's making an appearance. It looks a little longer than that, if you ask me. It looks like it's giving a little 26. Maybe. Let me show you it from the back. Yeah, so it just looks a little longer than 24 to me, but I like it long. I like it long, so that works out for me. It did come slightly plucked. It didn't come plucked enough to my liking, so I did pluck it a little more, and that's when I started to get like a little bit of shedding, but I can't really say if it's shedding or if it's because I plucked it. The knots did not come bleached, so I did have to bleach the knots, and when I rinsed the bleach out initially, it seemed like there was a little texture change in the frontal, but it snapped right back once I conditioned it, and I haven't had any problems since. I got it in a body wave texture, and when it's wet you can really see the body wave texture. I did take some curls to this part up here, like with the long curler, but when it dries I feel like you can't really see the texture anymore, which is fine. I think if you're gonna like leave it all, or if you're gonna wear it like side part, it would give you like a little wild kind of look, not like crazy wild, but like cute wild. So like I like the texture. I don't have any complaints about it. I did sew the bundles and frontal onto a wig cap to make it a unit, and then I just laid it down with foam. If you want to see how I laid it down, I will link that video above somewhere in the video, as well as down in the description box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I did take some heat to the frontal. It did straighten very well. When I straightened it, it did hold a curl very well, but I've only had it on for about, I've only had it constructed for about a week. I've had it on for about half of that, so this is just more like an initial review slash unboxing. I will hopefully give you guys an update in maybe like a month or two. There will also probably be another video of me like styling it, because my baby shower is coming up, so you'll be able to see like how the heat affects it and stuff like that. But so far it's really good hair. I don't have any complaints. Altogether the price was like $180, I think, or something like that, and like I said, I'll link it below in the description box. So that's pretty much all I got. I know that was a really quick video, but I just wanted to put something out there for you guys, for anyone who may have been wondering. So yeah, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so you can join the fam, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. You ain't gotta lie, I ain't got the time. Better back up what you talking.